How's it going? Conor here, helping men lose unwanted body fat, building muscle mass so they can look and feel their best no matter how busy their lifestyle. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing how you can perform 50 perfect push-ups in a row, okay? Now, in my opinion, if you can perform 50 push-ups in a row, you have an incredible level of fitness and strength, okay? And even if you are more advanced and you can perform 50 push-ups in a row, I'm going to showcase in this video how you can make that more difficult to overload your body, because it is something that I really recommend that you should work towards, because not only does it help with muscular endurance, functional strength, athleticism, it just is an overall brilliant movement to get good at, to get stronger at, to therefore help you build that bigger, leaner, stronger, more powerful and athletic physique. So let's get it. So team, right away, my number one tip to be able to perform 50 push-ups in a row is to perform push-ups every day, okay? Now if you perform anything every day, you're going to get better at it. It's no different than me making videos for YouTube. The more videos I put out, the better I'm going to get at it, the better I'm going to be in front of the camera, edit the video and being able to perform in the video. So the same thing goes for anything in life. But whenever it comes to being able to perform 50 push-ups in a row, I want you to start performing push-ups on a daily basis. Now I've been saying this way back at the start of my videos. If you can consistently perform push-ups on a daily basis, you're going to see some incredible results. So the way you would do that is split it up throughout the day. So right away, whenever you wake up in the morning, blast out 20 reps, okay? Even if you can't perform 20 reps at this moment in time, perform 5, okay? Take a rest, perform 5 more, and then continue that until you hit 20 reps. Alright, so there's 20 push-ups done right away first thing in the morning, and you can spread that out across the day, okay? Or if you even have a very busy schedule, perform 50 in the morning and 50 before you go to bed. Do that on a daily basis. Right away, you will gain the strength to be able to perform 50 push-ups in a very quick space of time. So the number one tip is to perform push-ups on a daily basis. Okay, my key tip number 2 is to mix up your push-up variations, okay? Now, as I always say, so many people go in with a mindset of bodyweight training and it's just push-ups, normal bodyweight squats, and some pull-ups and that's it. And even at that, they don't even perform pull-ups. So the key thing I want you to do, whenever you're focusing on getting better at performing 50 push-ups in a row, is to mix in more difficult variations into your routine, okay? So instead of just going flat out as many reps as you can, take a step back in the reps and focus on performing a more difficult exercise for less reps. So some of those movements may be your archer push-up, hands out wide, drop them down to one side, okay? Doesn't matter how many reps you get, it's a difficult exercise, perform it in sets. So say you only get 8 reps, okay? Take a rest and then go again with that movement and perform that 3 times. And then add in some more different variations such as your diamond grip push-up. Do the same thing, 3 sets in that 8 to 12 rep range, okay? Even if they're too difficult, perform on your knees and start to build up those more difficult variations. Add in some explosive variations into your routine, such as your crab push-up, your chest tap, whatever it may be. Add in some explosive variations. That will help build up that explosive power, that endurance for you to be able to just smash out 50 repetitions easily. So team, my third key tip is going to be experiment with different push-up routines. Now, as you know, I produce a lot of bodyweight push-up workouts here on my channel, so start to add them into your routine. You can perform your 100 push-up challenge, where you're performing 10 reps of each push-up variation and you're performing 10 different variations in total, and that right there is a 100 push-up workout. If you do that on a daily basis, you're going to see some incredible results. You're going to build up that endurance and that strength to blast out 50 reps in a row. But experiment with different routines, okay? So you can focus on my last point there with 3 sets in an 8 to 12 rep range of more difficult variations, okay? Or you can simply perform as many push-ups as you can, okay, for 20 seconds. Take a 5-second rest and then go again, performing as many push-ups as you can for 20 seconds, 5-second rest, and go again. You're adding in that wee bit of higher intensity work, and you have a timer in place, so you're really pushing yourself, and you can do that for about 10 minutes straight, and your upper body, your chest will be on fire, but you're building up that endurance to really help blast out those 50 repetitions. So that right there is another key tip that you can add into your arsenal so you can smash out those 50 reps in a row of push-ups. Okay team, my last key point is going to be adding more pushing exercises into your routine. Now this doesn't necessarily mean push-ups, this could be added in some weighted movements such as your incline bench press, okay, your machine press, and a plate press, as I'm going to showcase here. Now you can add in high reps of plate presses. Now if you haven't got a plate, okay, don't make excuses. You can grab a block, you can grab anything that's going to add a wee bit of resistance that you can hold, and you can just push out with force. Okay, now this is one of the key techniques that I've utilised in my training routine to really help build up that explosive power, enabling me to perform some of the most difficult push-up variations. Okay, so don't overlook this technique, especially with high reps. Now you can perform straight out, you can perform up, okay? You can even perform then in your kneeling position where you're just powering out. And you can even go in a rotation, okay? Throwing the force into the movement, okay? So don't overlook that key point of adding more pushing exercises into your routine. It can be weights, it can be anything that's going to enable you to perform more pushing movements into your routine to really help build up that explosive power, strength, and overall endurance to smash those 50 reps. So team, now that I've given you my 4 key tips to get better at push-ups, to enable you to perform 50 perfect push-ups in a row, it's time for me to smash them out, to showcase how these techniques work and how they've helped me gain incredible strength and overall endurance and power within my physique. Okay, so here we go. My advice on how you can be able to perform 50 perfect push-ups in a row no matter what your level of fitness may be. Now if you're a complete beginner, pick those points and go from the modified version, okay? If you can't even perform a normal push-up at the moment, simply perform on your knees and build up your strength, okay? If you're more intermediate, blast out your normal reps, add in that 100 push-up on a daily basis, and you're going to see some incredible results, alongside mixing in different, more advanced variations into your routine to therefore help build up that bigger, leaner, stronger and more powerful chest to enable you to smash those 50 repetitions. And if you're more advanced, go ahead and add in those more advanced variations into your routine. Instead of performing 50 normal push-ups in a row, perform 50 diamond push-ups in a row, okay? Or even perform 50 slow push-ups in a row, and you're going to see some incredible results by mixing up the push-up variation and by performing those higher reps straight through in a row, okay? So team, I truly hope that you got something from this video. It's something different again. I'm just trying to give you as much advice and help as possible to achieve your fitness goals. And if you're loving this content, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you thought of the video, and if you have any questions, shoot them below and I'll get back to you as I always do. Once again, if you haven't, please be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss a video. It also really helps me out to keep me motivated, pushing forward with this channel so I can inspire and help more people. And once again, if you're looking for me to coach you personally to help get you in the best shape and the best health of your life by using these different training methods into your routine to skyrocket your growth and to really enable you to get into the best shape of your life, click the link below, apply for my one-on-one personal transformation coaching program. I'll take a look at your application, see if you're a good fit, and hopefully you and I will get working together. But once again team, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.